Welcome students to Managing Media Relations. These are units that will be conducted by the students that are doing customer service. So today I'm going to take us through the course outline so that you may be able to understand what is required of us. This unit is done by customer service students so that you may be able to know what is required of you when you are at maybe the customer service desk. What is required of you when you are conducting the social media, because in most cases the person that is doing the customer service is also the person that is required to do some media relations and so on. So this unit will prepare you to be able to know what are the ethics, what are the rules, what are the regulations, what is required of me when I'm trying to explain, when I'm trying to portray my organization in the media. So our first topic will be the place of the media in an organization. At this point, you are trying to discuss what role does media play in an organization. And in this case, by media we mean print media, we mean electronic media and so on. How does emails, what is the part, what location or what locale does media have in an organization? What is the role of media in a specific organization? Then we'll talk about the communication plan. Now, as a customer service student, you have to know how well you can communicate your ideas. And then the only way to do this is to have a clearly well laid out plan that shows the processes that you'll use to communicate your ideas, and that's what you'll understand under the communication plan. Then we'll talk about media law. Now remember that the laws that govern the media industry are very different from the laws that govern maybe the company industry, because there are things like libel, things like people could sue you for privacy and so on. And that's actually the fourth topic where you're talking about ethics and privacy regulations. There are things, this information that as a customer service agent or as an agent that works for an organization, there are things that you're not allowed to send out there. You're not allowed to say out there because they are detrimental to the organization that you work for. Then we'll talk about how to deal with the press in an organization. So it's rather obvious that when you are in an organization, there will be situations where you are required maybe to have press releases, or you have to have some press conferences, or you're supposed to give out some information out to the media. And we'll talk about how to deal with that. And finally, we'll talk about press relations. Now this press we'll talk about will be TV, radio, and the internet. So I'm really looking forward to working with you. I understand you're planning to do your exams in December. Therefore, we'll try our best to make sure by the end of the November we are done with this. As you can see, it's not a very wide unit, and we'll be able to finish it at the required time. That's all for today. Kindly check out the timetable that I've posted on the portal, and we'll meet during that time. Thank you and have a great day ahead.